high-protein overnight oats, a creamy make-ahead breakfast with 5 minutes of prep and no protein powder. For one serving, you will need half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of smooth peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt, and fresh fruit for topping if you like. Add the rolled oats and chia seeds to a clean jar with a lid. Pour in the milk, then add the plain Greek yogurt. Add the peanut butter, honey, and a small pinch of salt. Stir thoroughly until everything looks creamy and there are no dry oats at the bottom of the jar. Cover the jar and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or leave it overnight. Keep it cold until you are ready to eat. The next morning, stir the oats again. If they're too thick, add a small splash of milk. Finish with fresh fruit and serve cold. Done! Creamy, high-protein overnight oats with no cooking and only 5 minutes of prep. This recipe makes one easy breakfast.